Welcome to today's challenge problem. This is best time to buy and sell stock. So according to the problem, we are allowed to buy only once, and we need to find the maximum profit. So this problem, an array would be given, and for a maximum profit, what we need to do is we need to find the minimum buy. So which is the price which we can buy at a minimum, and we can sell at the maximum price. So according to this problem, so we need to compare first if the next price, that is I plus 1, considering I 0, I plus 1 which is 1. If I plus 1 is greater than I, then we'll have a profit. Okay, so in this condition, what we need to do is we need to get the minimum buy price and maximum profit. So that is the way to do this. So let me try this. Okay, so what we need to do is, let's let go of this. So have a variable minimum buy, so and that would be infinity now, and then have a max profit, so that would be initialized as 0, and looping over. This one, and then verify when the price of I plus 1 is greater than price of I. So then get the minimum buy price. So minimum buy would be minimum of minimum buy and your price of I. So obviously I plus 1 is greater than I, so that is why I would be the minimum buy price, and your maximum profit would be a max of, it's a max of max profit, and the current profit. What is the current profit? Which is prices of I plus 1 minus minimum buy. So you always, your price, your profit, max profit will always be your max price, which would be your prices of I plus 1 and the minimum buy, and then you return it. Let me run this, check it out. Local variables, length of prices. Okay. $50, so should be good. Yeah, got accepted. Okay guys, let me check. Yeah, 76, that's fine. So the basic understanding would be understanding where the minimum buy price would be. So minimum buy price would obviously should come when the prices increases from 1 I to I plus 1. So there should be an increase in price, so calculate the minimum buy price, and then whenever increase in price happens, evaluate the maximum profit. So that would be this. Okay guys, hope you guys understand. Thanks a lot. I'll see you guys next time.